In this video, we'll show you how to make stand and place donate Roblox for PS5 or Xbox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get donations, you first need to claim a stand in the game and then make sure you have items listed for sale in your Roblox account. And here I'll show you how to set it up. First, find an unclaimed stand in the Please Donate Plaza, walk up to it and press and hold the claim button. That's X on PlayStation or A on Xbox. And there we go, you just claimed the stand. Now let's change the message on your stand. You can press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox, and then you can type in the new message for the sign. Alright, for donation buttons to show up on your stand, Please Donate needs item listed for sale in your Roblox account. Let's head over to Roblox website, open a web browser and go to roblox.com, log into your account. When you're in, click the Create tab at the top and this will take you to the Creator Hub dashboard. On the left hand side menu, make sure you are in the creation section. Find the experience you want to associate the pass with. If it's your first time, this will be your default starting place. Every account have it, so for you, it will be your username. Click on this experience. Now, the left hand menu will show options specific to that experience. Scroll down on this menu until you find the monetization product section and click on passes. Now here, click the blue create a pass button and here we're gonna create the game pass. You'll need to upload an image, then give the pass a name. You can also add a description if you like. Once you fill that in, click the create pass button at the bottom. After creating the pass, you'll have it in the list of your passes, but it'll be off price, so we need to add price to it. To do that, just click on it. On the left hand menu, click sales, turn on the toggle for item for sale, enter the price in Robux for this donation button, for example 10 Robux. After you're done, click save changes. You can repeat these steps to create more passes with different prices if you want more donation option. Now go back to Please Donate on your PS5 or Xbox. If you already claimed your stand, walk away from it for a moment, then walk back. Sometimes you might need to rejoin the game or simply reclaim your stand. The game will automatically find the game passes and add donations button to your stand with those prices. Now that your stand has text and your donations button are showing, you're all set. Just wait by your stand and hope someone donates Robux to you.